Again, glad to welcome all needlewomen, and on my channel today I invite you. Get acquainted with the very beautiful pattern which, called semi-patent gum. The pattern is double-sided, so it looks on one side with the opposite wonderful pattern that will fit for jumpers, cardigans, sweaters, and so on. I hope that you will also like it. The pattern consists of just 2 rows. The number of loops must be odd on the spoke. For the pattern type an odd number of loops. I will type 15. We typed with you on the spokes 15 loops. Let's tie a gum pattern. 0 row edge remove, tie 1 wear. Further 1 facial. 1 wear, 1 face. Wear facial. We are facial, and so we tie to the end of the row. Edge knit as where we tied with you. 0 row next. We have 2 rows of patterns that will be repeated by the whole canvas. First row of edge pattern, shoot further tie. 1 facial next wear off with a cape and replay. Facial wear off with cape, facial wear with naked, facial wear with cape, facial wear with cape, front wear with cape, and last facial edge knit as a wear, second row of pattern. Edge shoot further tie. Wear next facial and cape, tie together. 1 face. 1 wear, facial and cape, tie together. 1 facial wear. Facial and cape together, 1 facial wear. Facial wear, facial wear, facial. Wear and edge we tie as wear. You and I tie 2 rows. This is the rapport of our pattern. The series will be repeated from the first to the second. Behind the scenes, I'll tie a few more rows and come back to you. I tied multiple pattern rapports up in a straight line, so looks pattern on one side and so it turned out on the other. Really pretty. Semi-patent gum. I hope that masterclass to you liked. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put thumb up, and we will see you already in the next video.